Namaskar and hello everyone. In this video, I am going to share with you the fundamental of brain and neuron. Basically, I am going to explain you the cellular structure of the neuron, what it is and how it works. Okay, so let's begin. Here we can say that a person is standing. Okay, it's not me, right? And this person have a brain, as you all have possibly. I hope so. Okay. So this particular brain has a number of cells, right? There is a fundamental cell of that brain, which we call a neuron. This is similar to as we have a body, and there is fundamental unit is called as the cell. When we talk about a house, okay, then also we have a fundamental unit of house, which is bricks. So we have the fundamental unit of house, which is brick. In the same way, we are having neurons, which make the human brain. So that neuron looks like this. This is the architecture, not architecture. We can say this is the an expanded form of the neuron, in which what we can see. Look, we can see something at a circle here. Then there is a trail. Like a tail of the monkey, okay, and there are some hair-like structure around the central part. So what is this? This center part is called as soma. This center part is called as soma, which is also called as the cell body. And this cell body contains a nucleus inside. This is the nucleus. Every cell has a nucleus. And this soma is surrounded by this type of structure, which is called as dendrites. Okay. So we have dendrites, we have soma, we have nucleus, and one more thing, this is one tail which we can see. This tail is called as axon. So it's actually we are having these fundamental units of a neuron, and then one more thing we didn't discuss so far is synapses. These synapses are the sacs or the point, simply we can say, which connects two neurons, right? When we talk about a network of something, it means the two nodes or the multiple nodes are going to be connected with each other, and that connection is possible in neural network with synapses. Now, let's create an analogy between the neural network and real-time system, which we know. Let's say I want to know about some system, that how it works. Then what I'll do, or what we'll do. Think about it. Assume that this is a box which we don't know how it works. So how we will get to know what is the functioning of this block? What we'll do, we'll give certain inputs to this box, we'll get certain outputs from that box, and this process is done on the input and we are getting certain outputs. So basically, when we know the output and the input, then the process could be found out. We know that. We know about the transfer functions of systems. The transfer function, what we do, look, we are giving some impulse response, we are giving impulse as the input, we are getting something at the output, and on the basis of that output and input, we can let you know what the system is. Basically, this is the system, but in this case, this is the neuron. This is the neuron. So we want to get to know how neuron works. So basically, in neuron also, we are having input, a process, and output. So to create an analogy between the two, what the input is, simply from here we can see this is the soma where processing takes place. Okay, so we'll write at the center, this is soma, okay, or the cell body. Then what is the input? It takes input through dendrites. These are the dendrites which feed input to it. Dendrites. Okay. Then we get the output from the soma through axon. So this is how it works. The soma is the processor basically. Dendrites are the input, axon are the output, and this is the analogy between the neuron and the actual system which we are going to develop. And there are various models which have been developed, and one of those, and the first one was Makalov-Pitts model, which we'll go through in detail in the next class or the next lecture. Let me know did you like it or not, and then if you have any doubt, you can comment it in the section. If you want to know something more about the same, also let me know. Okay, thank you and namaskar.